My name is Alex Kantor, and I'm the president here at Perfect Plants Nursery.
My name is Natalie Kantor, and I own Perfect Plants alongside my brother Alex.
Perfect Plants is an e-commerce company where agricultural meets online.
Basically, we grow great plants and we ship them right to you. Our wholesale nursery was started in 1980 by our father. He had a desire to not only work for himself, but to better the products that were being offered to consumers, and wanted to raise his kids outdoors with a strong work ethic. And so our dad would bring us out on Saturdays. It was his responsibility to water the plants then. And while sometimes it was hard to leave those Saturday morning cartoons, it was also awesome to, watch him do his work and take care of the plants and take breaks for frisbees and tractor rides. And all of that brings back good memories.
It was just a real small operation back in the day when our parents started it. We kept going through the decades, moving right along, and we brought on e-commerce in 2015 and saw that as a way to disrupt the normal way that people consume plants and go right to the customer. There's been a lot to change to be online. There was a tremendous work to show your products for sale. The way that people shop online is very high quality and they expect the best.
What makes Perfect Plants special is the heart that's involved. We care not only about producing a great product, but we care about each person that helps produce it, sell it, and ship it, and each person that also receives it.
Started off with a couple plants and started off with product descriptions and a website, and then a website was redesigned, and we've kind of been in a constant state of evolving for 5 or 6 years in a row.
The business has changed vastly since I started. I started working here in 2018, and it was just one building.
When I started, we had about 15 less beds.
Everybody was in one tiny little office. I sat in one corner, Alex sat in another corner, Gabe sat across from me. There was one person on customer service, one person managing shipping.
So we used to pack plants in like a 12 by 12 square right outside the office, and it was, 2 people in the office. And then now we have a whole team, a whole creative staff, a whole shipping staff.
When I started, we were only filling, say, 1 truck a day during busy season. And then now we're at, I'd say, 3 on average each day when we're busy.
I might sit and talk with my production manager 7 times a day, but only for 5 minutes each. But we accomplish a lot in those 5 minutes. And as I move around the different departments, I have a lot of micro meetings and I'm really hands-on. I see what's going on, and everyone's really proud of what we've done. And our success is not just in the number of customers I have. I see the success in looking at the quality of the plants that are on the farm.
It's like getting to see a miracle happen every day. To watch a plant start from a small cutting off a plant and grow into a big plant. You sell it and it's flowering by the time it leaves.
The most rewarding part, I would say, is just knowing that I had some kind of hand in one of the steps of getting somebody their plant. I make sure all the plants get out every day, make sure that all the labels for each order is all good to go.
Getting it done every single week, even when you didn't think it was going to happen, because there is a team and a system in place to make it happen, that's pretty fulfilling. I feel like the quality of plant is getting better year over year, and I'm excited to be just a little better next year than we were this year.
My dad definitely sought to start his own business, and I think that it makes him happy to see those same traits in his children, and to see us succeed and grow what he started. I think that makes him really proud.
My mother just asked me that the other day. We just broke a sales record, and she said, "Alex, what are you going to do in 5 years?" And I said, Mom, we're probably going to ship a lot more plants to a lot more people. E-commerce is not going away. It's a specialized business in the green industry. We're going to keep expanding and keep shipping quality plants to people's homes. I see a really good future in 5 years.
To our customers, we're always so appreciative of your support.
So to the customers of Perfect Plants, what I want you to know is we're a family-run operation. There might be 60 some odd people that work here, but we still get to bring our dogs to work. We still sit down and have lunch together. We're very much a family. We have a lot of tenured employees in the management departments, and we put all that experience directly into our products, making sure that the highest quality product that we can physically grow is grown for you, and we take care of it. Some of these plants we take care of for 3 years until it gets in a box to your home.
We strive to make sure you get the perfect plant.
To our customers, I'll just say thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for continuing to come back.
Thank you for supporting Perfect Plants.
Thank you so much for supporting our company.
It's really crazy seeing the same names show up over and over again year after year. And it just shows that we're doing something right. And we would love your feedback. So if you want to leave comments on our Google or comment on social media, follow us there. That'd be great. We just always love feedback. We're always looking for ways to improve. So thank you for the support and continued support. We really appreciate it.
Buy more plants. You can never have enough.